Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is your demo on how to create a basic drawing inside Janvas. First go to janvas.com and click on Start to Create. Then I'm going to zoom in on my canvas a little bit by hitting Control plus, and then I can use the hand to pull that in. Somehow I ended up zooming in on Chrome. I don't want to do that. I just want to zoom in on my canvas. Alright, so get out of the way. Let's see. Now we're going to start off with the Apple logo here. This is a good one to use. It's pretty simple, but it allows us to use our pen tool to draw, so we get to practice with that. So we'll start off with the pen tool, and we need to draw that basic apple shape. Draw a curve by clicking and dragging, and then put another curve down there on the side. Now already this curve is going the wrong way for me. Oh, that's okay, we'll fix it later. Now we'll put a curve down here at the bottom, right here in the middle of the apple, down here, then over here on the side, right here above it where that bite is going to be, up here at the top, and then down in the middle. And of course we want to connect back to the beginning again and make sure it's a nice curve too. Now already there's some stuff that's wrong we need to fix, so go to the point select tool, that's up here, and then click on the point that we need to change. Now I'm only getting one handlebar there. I want two handlebars, so I'm going to go back to the pen, go down to this modify point tool, and there we go, drag out my other handlebar so I get what I need. I'll fix this one too the same way. This is still not doing what I want it to do. It's going to give me trouble. Let's zoom in and see what's going on there. Maybe zooming in will show me why this isn't working. It's as if these 2 points are not really part of the same. It's as if there's 2 points here that are not connected. That is what happened, which is not what we want. We need these 2 points joined, and then we need to delete them. So I'll select both of those points with my point selection tool. I'll go to my menu, join points, and then I will delete one of those points. Select one, delete it. Oh, man, can't delete it that way. Actually, we'll go to the pen minus tool to delete it, and we should be able to. But first we need to select it with our point select tool, then the pen minus tool, then we can delete it. There we go. Now we go and convert that line correctly. There. Now we're going to zoom back out so we can see what we're doing a little better. Use the hand tool to move it over. Okay, so now it's starting to look like an apple. And so what we need to do is just use the point select tool to modify each one of these curves until we have it the way we want it. This one is a little low down, and it's also kind of wonky looking, so I'm going to go and change it back to a nice even curve. Now I got to change this one. These curves do not want to cooperate with me. I have to bend this down. And now this one automatically goes down. Now this one's going up. This is causing problems for me. So I'm going to have to delete that, then go to my pen plus tool and add a new one. Move it down. That's more what I want. So it's going to come out here. There we go. And keep looking back at your apple over here to make sure that this is filling in the way that it should. This one should come out a little more, so we'll pull it out more. So keep making modifications. This one can come down a little, and this goes in. This one needs to go in too. We want that curve to be nice and gradual. It can come out this way a little bit more though, but still go in here, maybe. Maybe not. That might be good. The thing is now we need to get the other side the same. Make sure both sides line up. Bring this side out a little bit more. And this one comes out a little too. Now this...
At this time, all faculty council members, please report to the back room of the media center at this time. All faculty council members, thank you.
Move this in here. And this one to create that bite. This is going to have to go a little lower though. This is going to have to turn this way a bit. Bite should be a little bit bigger. This one is going to have to go higher. This will curve this way a bit. Alright, that's pretty good. And we can go ahead and make it black so we can see what it'll look like. Take off the outline, and there we go. Now we just got to draw the little leaf at the top. So I'll take my pen tool, put the point where I want it, put the point up here, and then connect it. Now I'll use my point select tool to select that point and change the way that it's turning. Again, this is not come out the way that it should have. These two sides should connect, but they didn't. So we'll have to go up here and join them. If you have the same problem, you do the same thing. Select those 2 points and join them. 1, 2. Go over here, join the points. Why are you not joined? Ah, they are. Okay. And then the minus pen tool. There we go. Convert that into a nice curve again. We wouldn't have this trouble if we were using Illustrator. But this is what you get for free, so we do the best we can. We'll move this, drag it out a bit, move this one down, and drag it out about the same amount. This one should come out more straight. Not quite that much though. This one goes up more. Tweak these a bit. This side, I think, needs to come out more. And then this one, too. So now it should look about the same. Alright, looks like the Apple logo. So now you should know how to draw with the pen tool pretty well. We used all the pen tools on here. The basic pen to make the lines and the curves. Remember, click and drag to make a curve. The pen plus tool, pen minus to add or take away points. The scissors tool we didn't use. That would be to cut, to separate the lines at a certain point. And then the conversion point tool makes it a nice curve if it's not already. We used the point select tool to select the areas that we needed to. We used the object selection tool to select the whole thing. And since we have these two things where we wanted to, let's select both objects by holding down Shift and clicking, and we can group them together so that they'll always stay together. Go to the drop-down menu over here and click Group. Now they're grouped, so when I click on one, it selects both of them. We also saw how we can change the color of an object down in the Properties menu, and we took away the stroke. And we saw how we can use the hand to move around our canvas, and the zoom tool to zoom out and zoom in. So these are all important functions that you need to be able to do in Janvas. Now we can save our file by apparently opening it up a little bit more. There it is. And clicking on the little disk. Little disk will save, and you can save or save as. So let's hit save. Just save it as a HTML, as it already is, but title it Apple logo. And make sure you put it in your FMP folder. So scroll down until you find your FMP folder. Mine is called Intro to Media, so save it in there. That way I can go on and check it for you. Alright, that is our demo on how to create a file in Janvas. Hope you guys got all you needed there. Make sure you email me if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.